Are you thinking of buying your very first motorhome? There's one number that can make a beautiful RV nearly useless from day one. Most beginners never check it, and it leads to dangerous handling, surprise repairs, and expensive regrets. Stick around, I'll reveal that number and everything else you need to know right here on Wander Rigs. Welcome to Wander Rigs, from highways to hideaways. Here, we simplify motorhomes and camper trucks so you can hit the road with confidence. If you're new to this lifestyle, today's video is designed just for you, the ultimate beginner's guide to buying your first motorhome. Before we dive into models and features, start with yourself. Ask, who's traveling? Just you, a couple, a family with kids or pets? How will you use it? Quick weekend getaways, summer vacations, or full-time living? Will you stay at campgrounds with hookups or go off-grid for days? And remember, in Europe, spaces are tighter and city parking is limited. In North America, distances are vast, so comfort on highways is critical. Write down your 3 must-haves and your 3 deal breakers. That list alone can save you thousands. Motorhomes come in 3 main classes. Class A, bus-style giants with huge storage and a residential feel. Class B, campervans, small, maneuverable, easy to park, but limited in space. And Class C, the middle ground, a real bed, decent storage, and easier service. Here's the quick rule: Europe's tight old towns. Class B shines, American national parks with a family of 4. A short Class C with bunks is often the sweet spot. The sticker price is just the start. Add insurance, maintenance, fuel, storage, and yearly inspections. Don't forget setup gear, hoses, leveling blocks, adapters, even solar panels. A brand new motorhome loses value quickly, while lightly used models can be better deals if you check the condition. Size equals comfort, but also stress. Where will you park it? Can it fit at home? Will you face low bridges or emission zones in Europe? In the US, think of long mountain grades and strong winds. For beginners, the confidence sweet spot is often a Class B or a shorter Class C. Ask yourself, can I see myself driving this tired in the rain at night? Your chassis is the foundation. In North America, gas engines are everywhere, simple to maintain. Diesels give torque and engine braking, but can be pricier to repair. In Europe, diesel is common, but some cities ban older models. Check the service network, emissions rules, and payload capacity. And always test drive for seat comfort, visibility, and noise. Everyone loves shopping floor plans, but here's what matters: beds. Permanent beds save time. Imagine a rainy Sunday inside. Can everyone sit, cook, and move around without conflict? Murphy or sofa beds save space. Bathrooms, dry baths are campfire. Wet baths save weight. Kitchens, counter space, and ventilation are more valuable than an extra TV. Seating, check if the belts are legal travel seats. Slide outs, make sure you can access the fridge, bathroom, and bed with slides closed. Utilities, separate the keepers from the regrets. Bigger tanks mean longer boondocking. Good ventilation is essential for comfort and to stop condensation. And if a rig claims to be 4-season, check the insulation, plumbing, and tank heating. Heated tanks are a must for cold weather. Electrical, 30 amp versus 50 amp changes what you can run. Off-grid, invest in lithium batteries, solar, and an inverter. Heating and cooling options vary: propane furnaces, diesel heaters, or heat pump ACs. Shiny finish can hide flaws. Check the roof and seals for cracks or soft spots. Furnace, fridge, water pump, and test drive. Listen for rattles. Check braking, check stability in the wind. Used rig, ask for service records and moisture readings. Press walls and floors for moisture or delamination. Open cabinets, are hinges strong? Do doors stay closed? Run every system, slides, AC. Here's the reveal: payload or cargo carrying capacity. It's the weight your motorhome can safely carry: people, water, food, and gear, blown tires, and even voided insurance. Rule of thumb: aim for generous headroom, add up your family, full water tanks, and essentials. You'll be surprised how heavy it gets. If payload is too low, you'll overload easily, leading to poor handling. New motorhomes bring warranties, but also quick depreciation. Use saves money, but condition is everything. If you're not sure, rent the class and length you think you want. Then take a short test trip close to home. A 2-night shakedown will reveal more than hours of research. If this guide helped, Tab like so more beginners see it. Comment checklist if you'd like our no fluff pre-purchase checklist. And subscribe to Wander Rigs, from highways to hideaways, for more guides, comparisons, and road-tested advice. Your perfect motorhome is out there. Drive smart, travel free, and I'll see you on the next adventure.